M0FXB, let's load ALLSTAR Link 3 onto my SD card and then see if we can get my ALLSTAR node running with it. First thing you need to do is download the image, which we've got here, and I'll put the link in, and I'm downloading this one here, 3.0.16 image. Okay, we'll click that and it will just start to put it in our downloads folder. We've got full instructions here as well to load this. You're going to need yourself a Raspberry Pi 3B, as you can see there. I'll link in all these instructions as well. On the right hand side here, the SD card that you put into your PC, and there's a few options. Just buy these on Amazon. Look, there's the adapter, there's the type of SD card. You're going to need to get yourself your ALLSTAR number, and I have several. Just click in the link that I provide, and if you go here on my one, node settings, you'll see all my numbers appear. And I'm going to use the one that is 539018. You can see here. And to get a new number, just click continue here and then get yourself a number. You do need to have a ham license, of course. And I would download WinRAR as well. Why not? It's free, download it. Now download the imager. This puts the ALLSTAR image onto the SD card. So click download, and when it's run, click start here and you'll end up with this window. Okay. In the first box here, it's going to ask you to choose your device. So I click that and it says here, we've got a long list, and yes, it will work with a Pi 5. This is the whole point of the new ALLSTAR Link 3. It's the latest version and it runs everything, including Linux. So we're going to choose 3B because that's the one I'm testing it on, and then choose the operating system. Next, let me just show you that again. You go to operating system middle, choose. Then go use custom. Okay, and then we're going to click, I downloaded it. When I hit that download into my drive here, let's just click open, and then we'll hit the next. Go to edit settings. At the top here, put in a host name, so we can use this ALLSTAR Link 3.local to find it. Saves typing in IP addresses. Then we'd set a username and password. I have taken a photograph so I don't forget. And then there's my wireless router there. So it means we don't have to put the Ethernet cable. Okay, and then just save. And then would you like to apply customization? Click yes. It gives you the warning, and then just go yes, and it starts to add it. So be patient while it writes. So imagine that the SD card is like the hard drive in your computer. With this SD card, it's like the hard drive of our Raspberry Pi 3B that we're using. And it now says we can remove the SD card and put it into our device. Hopefully you can still see me. Let's do it. We've got the SD card here, and we're going to pop it into our device, like so. Now remember, it's not configured yet. Need to get it the right way around. There you go, that way around. And then we'll power that up, and we're going to be looking for that address that we used earlier. Plug that in. I'm interested to know if the node does anything. So let's just let that boot up. When it's properly configured, you will actually hear the node call out its IP address. I don't think it's going to do that now because it's not been configured. But anyway, let it boot up a minute, and then we'll type in that address. Everything needs to be on the same Wi-Fi, on the same network. That's interesting. It is actually making my node transmit. And that's without me setting it up. Cool. Anyway, let's carry on. So the local didn't work, but when I did a search here, I found ALLSTAR Link 3, and there's the IP address. And when we click here, there we are. Move this out of the way. So we're at the sort of introduction page, let's call it.